What is up? It's burning hot here with my first YouTube video. Oh, and also make sure to drop a like for some beginners like you all know it. Because today I'm going to be showing you some really cool hacks in this game. So step number 1, get in the boat, launch it. Step number 2, drive to where I'm driving. And while I'm driving, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Because this is my first video. And by the way, my name is Cooper Hewitt, just in case you're wondering. And I will post videos in the future, so you can stay tuned. Oh my gosh. The jungle has to be here next place. Alright. Make this thing break. Alright. So now we are in the jungle, right where I want to be. And when you're in the jungle, you just want to hop out of your boat, say goodbye to your boat, and then follow me. Oh, bye, boat. I hope you had a great day. So, when I'm in the jungle, oh, my boat's still going. You want to go to this chest right here, and then you shall get 20 red neon blocks, if I'm correct. And when you get that, reset your character. What the heck? Oh, that's a butterfly. When you're done with that, you have to have 350 coins and buy a block that looks just like this. You'll get 50 of them, and then I'll show you the next. Step 2. So, step 2, you place these neon-looking blocks in a form like this. And then when you do that, you want to take these blue blocks, do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Then when you're done with that, you want to take a gold block, if not metal, and then place it in the middle. And take a spinny thingy-majiggy, and then place it right there. Then, when you're done with that, get on the spin thing, and then cover yourself in glue blocks. When you are covered, put a C on the top of you, and then you shall look like this. So when you look like this, launch your boat, and this will amaze you. You ready? 3, 2, 1. I could fly. Yep, it's amazing. You will be able to fly once you get this life hack, or game hack. This hack is completely extraordinary. You'll just be able to fly all the way to the end. It's so easy! You don't have to do anything except for build and control your fly thing. Oh. Yeah, I'm not a good flyer at this. I just found out this hack 3 days ago. See, I'm already at the end. I'm just going to go on this waterfall and then experience how you fall off a waterfall. Yeah, I'm going. But be careful, these blocks are weak, as you can see. Like, blue block just broke. Oh. I'm just gonna fly over there. So, when you're there, tap on the glue block, and then just fall to sweet end. Hit that like button! no. Smash that like button. And I will open this chest. Hold on, I need to do something real quick. I've always wanted to do this. And then, yay! Nice. Hallelujah! And now you guys learned the life hack, or the game hack, because I don't know how to say it. Now you got that hack. This has been an extraordinary video, so like and subscribe and hit the notification bells too, because I will be posting videos in the future. Maybe I might do another game hack. And I hope you have a fantastic and wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon.